Recreating Python functionality. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So in today's video, I really want to talk about and drive home an issue that we were walking through on one of the live streams this week. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one subject at a time. So we had this challenge on LeetCode, and we were supposed to reverse the string. Well, not just reverse it, but reverse the order of the sequence characters that weren't white spaces. So what in the world does that mean? All right, it was basically reverse the order of words in the string. And if it had multiple white spaces, to then only have one white space. So we had this technique where we went through and we split it, we reversed it, then we rejoined it with a single space. Well, that seemed a little too easy for me. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to see if we could do this the longhand way. And I got a lot of pushback in chat. It's like, well, we did it. Yeah, but I'd want to know if you know how to do it too, if we were in an interview. So that's what we did. So we created a substring, we created a list, and we iterated through this list. We used the index because that became very important when we got to the end of the list, or when we got to the end of the string. So kind of keep that in mind. Beginning of a object and the end of an object, it's going to act a little bit different. It's easier to control the beginning of the object because that's index 0, but you never really know what you're doing at the end or when and where it is. So keep that in mind whenever you're doing this. So, because the reason why is because we had this one little caveat right here when we got to the end. What we did is we had is sky the, but we weren't getting blue because the way that we designed our algorithm was every time the substring ran across a blank, it was to end, append, and then shorten back the substring to a empty substring. So we were able to completely recreate these 3 lines of code with our own algorithm. And I know that seems weird, but you're going to have times where this isn't going to work, and you're going to have to be able to do this. So I guess what my point is go ahead and get the practice in now so you can kind of envision this. Because what happens if you were doing an interview and they said, oh, you can't use any of the upper functions. You can't use split, can't you use reverse, go. Or you can't even use join. So you would have to go through and create that. I've heard about that. So that is a good technique to be able to know how to do. So real quick video today, make sure you're joining the Discord server down below so you get all the help that you need and deserve on your programming journey, data engineering, data analytics, data analysis, whatever you're wanting to do, we're here to help you in your journey. So make sure you're hitting that like and subscribe button, notification bell, so you're not missing out on any of these videos. But as always, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.